Welcome to Tips and Tricks Tuesday here at Mount Gravatt Mazda. My name's Ebony and today I'm going to teach you about your key fob and how to get into your vehicle. For the Mazda 6, CX-5, CX-8 and CX-9, to activate your key fob, push your face down, pull the lever to the left, slide and lift to pull off the back of the key fob. You can then access the spare key to be able to unlock the driver's side door and hop in. For Mazda 3 and CX-30, access the key fob the same way. Pitch your face down, lever to the left, slide and lift, and your spare key will come out. On the driver's side door, pull open your door handle and you'll see the spot for the spare key to be able to go in. Push the key in, and then push down to unlock, releasing the door. For Mazda 2 and CX-3, pitch your face down. You'll see a lever on the back, pull that towards yourself and pull the end of the key out. Your spare key is here. In the driver's side door to unlock, releasing your door. Thank you for watching Tips and Tricks Tuesday here at Mount Gravatt Mazda. My name's Ebony and we'll make it happen.